So hi guys, you might have already seen these kind of AI generated images online, and they are actually awesome. And you don't know how to generate them. These are fully generated by AI. You just need to give a sentence or a word or something like that, and they would just the AI it just makes an image out of the blue, so as to say. So this is an interesting concept, and until now the major software that we used or we could use was Midjourney. But Midjourney, because of the large volume of users that are flocking into these websites, the it's not easy for us to generate it now using a free plan, like a free trial. So Midjourney used to have a free trial, and now because of the load of people coming in, we're not able to utilize the resources. They are not able to utilize the resources, and that's why we are having a major headache in generating AI images using Midjourney. But apart from that, the subscription rate of Midjourney is quite on the high side, especially if you generate images just for fun. So let's say it costs about $10 per month just to get these images generated by Midjourney. So that is a bit too much for someone who likes to do this stuff for fun. They don't like necessarily do this for some professional work, but they just want to show off to their friends, or maybe some use something to their YouTube channel or some minor use cases. So for these people, Midjourney right now is not a viable option right now. But don't get me wrong, it's a great tool. It can get all the things done in a perfect manner. So apart from that, the alternative that we currently have is Leonardo.AI. This one's a relatively new software, but it has almost the same features as Midjourney, but in a compact, and most of all, it's free. To use Leonardo, it's free for now. Anyone can join in, and anyone can generate images just by giving a sentence or a word about something, and AI will do that for you. And currently, it's an early bird access plan. So in order to get to that, you need to get your email whitelisted. So I'll be just putting some random email right now in here and click on count me in. And right after you do that, after some hours, you'll be getting some mail from Leonardo that okay, you're being selected, and it will take some time to process the whole application that you have submitted. In the meantime, you have to join the Discord servers, and in the Discord servers, there's something like priority access. Click on that tab, and instead of that one, you need to fill in a form, a Google form, and after that one, you'll be getting a new email that lets you know that you are selected or your email is whitelisted. And after that one, you need to click on Launch app, and after that, click on I am whitelisted. You will be launched into the Leonardo AI system. And here you can see all the images generated by the community. You can go to AI image generator section, and in here you need to select the model. And I'm here selecting Leonardo standard diffusion model, which is the standard model for generating images. Now this is basically a style that we can use to generate images, and you can just give in some random title. So in my case, I'll be just giving some God's eye command, and the system will make use of the token that we currently have. So currently we have 25 tokens left, and this is basically a currency that we can use to generate more images. So I'll be selecting 4 images for this generation of God's eye, and dimension as 768 twice, or we'll take it as 1024 twice, and because it's more convenient for the AI to generate in 1024 for this specific model. And we'll get to these separate sections later in this video. Now we'll click on generate. Now make use of this tokens count, because it will use about 7 tokens for this generation. You click on generate. Usually it takes about 15 seconds, and tops about 1 minute. Depends upon the server load, and depends on the complexity of the command that you are given. And here you go. Now you have 4 images generated from the AI's concept of what's known as a God's eye. And you can just select on any of these images that you feel convenient. And so I'm selecting this one right here. And here you have multiple options also. Like you can just delete the image if you don't like that one. You can download the image directly, or you can unzoom it. Unzoom means to expand the image even further so as to occupy more area to appear more convenient. So we have a separate section to upload image as well. So it will basically act as a new model. So let's say you upload an image of a cat jumping onto a car. So that will be used as a model to generate new images if you upload that image here. So similarly, we have multiple options, almost similar to Midjourney. So you can just tinker with it, you can play with it, and you'll be able to get more precise images generated by AI, and you can just basically have fun. Now, I hope you found this video to be useful, and yeah, please share it with your friends. And if you like this video, don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.